What is up, Weekenders? Behind me is some of the coolest Bronco owners in the world, and we're about to hit one of the coolest trails out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, Tierod Canyon. I'm excited. Let's do this. Here at the trailhead to Tierod Canyon. This is about a 7-rated trail with some pretty difficult side features that you can take on. Tierod is called Tierod because it's historically known to take tie rods to the grave. But we're all airing down and we're about to hit this trail, so let's do this.
I'm on 460. 460.
Everybody told us 460.
I think you're the only one.
Walt already said he's doing the wall.
Doing everything.
He's good.
We had multiple people trying to spot the same driver at one time. Let's avoid that. Only one. Cheater.
So we're at the point in Tierod where the trail starts to get a little more intense. Just to give you an example, this is called the wall, and it is literally probably an 8-foot wall. I mean, just to give you a height example here, I mean, I'm about 6 foot and it's up there. So this is gonna be pretty intense obstacle, and let's see if these guys can do it.
Right where he's at. Right? Yeah, well.
Yeah, I'd say right there, because that's where most tracks on that.
Right there. Yeah.
Hey, come up.
Thanks, Glenn.
Alright, lockers on.
They was both lockers.
Yeah, run. Yeah, all lockers on. Trick. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Alright, keep it right a little bit for a little longer. Right now, go ahead and reverse. And as you come down, turn driver. Turn driver as you come down a little bit. I'm gonna try and face your front end up that way a little bit more.
Alright, well, I got a picture. Okay, go in reverse.
Go in reverse and turn your wheel driver.
So just go straight.
Well, keep it turned like you have it turned right now.
Okay.
Because you're gonna then pull that whole end around. No, yeah, hold on. You let off right before you hit the rock, so you got to go back and carry the momentum. Don't stop. Okay, right about there. You're that far. Carry it through. Give it. Back up a little bit more and get a little bit more. Right there, right there. A little more cowbell. Okay, now carry it through.
That's a good spot right there.
Slow down. Too far passenger. A little too far. Still passenger yet. Hold on.
Got your rear axle hung up.
So now that we made it over the wall, we're actually moved on over here to Carnage Canyon. Carnage Canyon is like this little rock canyon with multiple walls at the end of it that you have to climb up over before you can exit the canyon. And let's see what these guys got. I think we'll be pretty successful on this one.
Really?
Your bumper pulled off.
Ripped the whole bumper off, bro.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, sure. How about the impact? I don't bring that socket for that, though.
Got her.
Back up.
Your Bronco in. Good. Alex.
Yeah.
Let's throw it over.
All right.
Over there.
Stop. I'm gonna move that front end over that way.
You gotta go right. Oh, sorry.
Back up a little bit. More to your right. More to your right. There you go. There it is. Now come back right. Straight up. Straight. that line. Center out now. All right, hold it there. I'm going to crawl the rear up. So rear flying. Don't turn anymore. Now drop it. To your left.
All right, we made it to the end of Tierod Canyon. Only a little bit of damage, but that's to be expected on these little bit harder trails. But we're gonna finish airing up and head out. Some of us actually gonna go get food and meet back up to do like a little stampede down the Las Vegas Strip. I'll be sure to throw in a little bit of highlights of that. But hey, if you had as much fun on this trail as we did, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you at the next waypoint.